Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on tips and product reviews. Today, we're diving into the 30-inch 13x6 deep wave lace front wig made from 100% virgin human hair. This is a product that promises not only style and comfort, but also long-lasting durability with proper care. Let's take a closer look at what it offers and whether it lives up to the hype. The 30-inch 13x6 deep wave lace front wig is made from 200% density, HD lace, and features pre-plucked natural hairline, crafted with 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin curly human hair. The wig boasts a 13x6 HD transparent Swiss lace frontal that promises a seamless blend with your skin tone, no matter what shade you are. The construction is handcrafted, simulating a natural scalp that helps provide a more realistic look. The hair is described as healthy and vibrant, offering a true-to-length experience. This glueless wig is designed to be easy to install, and it's said to last up to 12 months with proper care. Now, how does this wig perform when you try it on? Personally, I was impressed by how easy it was to install. The 13x6 lace frontal provides ample space for styling and offers an incredibly natural-looking hairline. The cap size fits comfortably with adjustable straps and combs to ensure a secure fit. The 200% density of the hair is full and thick, giving you that voluminous, bouncy look. One of the best parts? The wig is glueless, so installation is a breeze, and it stays in place throughout the day without any hassle. As for the curls themselves, the deep wave pattern is gorgeous. It holds its shape beautifully, whether you're rocking it in a natural state or styling it. I tested it out on different occasions, from casual days to more formal events, and the wig delivered each time. However, I did notice that the hair can frizz slightly in humid conditions, so it's important to use a good leave-in conditioner or anti-frizz serum to keep it looking sleek. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros. The 13x6 HD lace gives a seamless, realistic scalp appearance that blends well with most skin tones. The hair is full and thick, giving you a voluminous look with 200% density. The glueless design makes for easy installation and comfort. The cap is adjustable and fits securely. You can style the hair in various ways, and it can be dyed or bleached if you want to customize the color. Cons. The wig tends to frizz a bit in humid conditions, which means you might need to apply extra care to maintain its appearance. It can be heavy for those who prefer lighter wigs, especially with the 200% density. While the cap size is adjustable, it may not fit everyone perfectly, particularly for those with smaller heads. Is this wig worth the price? At this price point, you're getting a high-quality human hair wig with full, thick curls that can last up to 12 months with proper care. If you're looking for a versatile, natural-looking wig that's easy to style, it's a solid investment. However, if you're on a budget or prefer lighter wigs, you might want to look into other options. When comparing this wig to similar products on the market, it stands out in terms of quality and realistic appearance, especially with its 13x6 lace frontal that allows for more styling freedom. While other wigs in this price range may not offer as much versatility or density, there are cheaper alternatives if you're not looking for something as thick or long. As for build quality, the wig is made from high-quality Brazilian virgin human hair, and the craftsmanship of the lace front is top-notch. If you're looking for something that will withstand long-term use, this wig holds up quite well with proper maintenance. So should you buy it? If you're in the market for a high-quality, thick, natural-looking wig that works for all occasions, the 30-inch 13x6 deep wave lace front wig is a solid choice. It may require a bit of extra care to maintain the curls in humid conditions, but it definitely delivers in terms of style and durability. If this review helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other wig lovers can find this review too. And as always, thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you have any thoughts or questions about this product, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time, and keep your beauty game strong with Beautyistic.